Right. Guys, can you hear me, all of you? All of you, can you hear me, right? Right. So, guys, in today we'll discuss data structures. Data structures. All of you. Today our concept is what? Data structures, guys. What is a data structure? What is a data structure? Yes, guys, observe here. So a data structure is like a container. Data structure is like what here? It is like a container, guys. It is a container. So in this container, generally what we do, we can store anything and we can use it later, right? See, suppose, guys, it is a container. It is a container. In the container, first what we do, we will save, and later we can use. Let's take some water bottle, guys. Water bottle. So first what we do, we fill the bottle with water. That means water. We save the water in the bottle, right? We save the water in the bottle. Later we use the same water from the bottle for different purpose. Guys, right? Okay, it can be for drinking purpose. It can be cleaning the hands, right? Whatever it is, all of you. So this is called what? Using, saving and using, guys. Saving water and using water. Or let's take lunch box, guys. Lunch box. Okay. The lunch box, first what we do in the morning before going to college or office, first we save the food in the box, right? All of you. We save the food in the box. In the afternoon, we eat the food, guys, right? We use that food. It can be for eating purpose or offering to some other person. It can be anything, right? It can be anything. In the same case, let's talk about it's our brain. This is what our brain, guys. Okay, it is a brain. And brain, what we do? We are saving the knowledge. All of you, saving the knowledge, and later the same knowledge we use for different purpose. It can be to clear the interview. It can be to work in the project, or it can be to explain to other person, right? Whatever it is, guys, we use it, right? Okay, this is what using. So here two operations, guys. What's first operation? Saving is the first operation. But second one, using is the second operation. Or let's consider bank account, guys. Okay, bank. The bank, first what we do, we save the money, and later the money we use for different purpose, to buy the bike, to buy a car, to buy a house. Our choice, right? Our choice. So first saving and then using, and so here we use a container for saving the data and using the data. These all are the examples of data structure, non-technically. Water bottle, lunch box, or brain, and bank account. Bank also, guys, right? Bank also save the money in the bank. These all are the non-technical examples. Of what? Data structures. Technically, the examples of data structures is string. String is one example. Stringer, then list, tuple, then set, and then dicta. These five are technically the examples of which one? Data structures, guys, right? What's first example? String. What second one? Second is what? List. The third one is tuple. The fourth one is set. The fifth one is what? Dicta. These are the technically the examples of or the types of data structures. The types of data structures. Data structures. All of you, I think you are clear, guys, right, about what is data structure. Now let's take the definition here. So data structure is a container which is used to save the data, and the same data can be used for different purpose, different purpose, guys. Okay, we can use it for different purpose. Like performing performing arithmetic operations, all of you, or comparison operations, okay, and logical operations, assignment operations, whatever it is, to perform these operations, we can use the data, right? And what are the examples here? The examples are the types are first one is what? String. Second is what? List. Third one is what? Tuple. Fourth one is what? Set. Fifth one is what? Dicta. So these five are the examples of which one? Data structures. Examples of data structures, guys. All of you. Okay. Right. First of all, let us start string data structure. Let's talk about first one. Which one? String data structure, guys. The string data structure. Right. So what is a string? All of you observe what is a string. A string is a which one? Collection of characters. A string is a collection of characters. Okay. Suppose observe now. I take some string. Let's take Python Narayana, guys. Okay. I take one example, that is what? Python Narayana, and I take some big size, guys, here. Right. Now all of you observe here. This is what? Collection of characters. Enclosed by what? Enclosed by quotes. Enclosed by quotes, guys. All of you. A string is a collection of characters enclosed by what? Enclosed by quotes, guys. Enclosed by quotes. Okay, right, guys. Here, see, in our school days or college days or in office also, all of you observe now. Between four walls in the classroom or in the office room, right? There are some employees, there are some students, guys, right? There are some students, okay, and here some students' names can be duplicated, right? All of you, some students' names are same. For example, imagine here the first person, his name is Narayana, for example, guys. His name is Narayana. He is also Narayana. And imagine now he is also Narayana. Okay, remaining are different names. Now what is happening here? Our manager or our class teacher is calling Narayana. Hey Narayana, please come outside. Hey Narayana, please come. At that time, which Narayana will respond? This first Narayana or second Narayana or third one, right? Because these three are having the names. That's why. So three people are responding, and they're getting confused. Guys, right? Confused. So in this case, to identify each person uniquely, we have roll number system. Right? All of you, roll number system or employee number, right? So here the roll numbers or employee numbers are not duplicated. They are unique, right? They are unique, guys. Okay. Same here also, between these two codes, some characters are there, and if you observe here, the n 2 times duplicated, a how many times? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times duplicated, all of you, and y how many times? 2 times duplicated here, right? So here now I want to call a. At that time, which a will come? First A na, second A na, third A na, fourth A na, confusion is there. because the same character is available 4 times here. If you want to call only a specific A, at that time these 4 A's are responding. But I want to call a specific A, at that time here what do we do? Like in our classroom we have roll number system, okay, roll number system. In the string we have index number system, index number system, guys, okay. So in school days, college days we call roll number. But here subject wise we call what? Index number system, right? That means for each character we give a unique index number, so that we can fetch any specific character uniquely, right? Now guys, observe here, now, right? Here the unique index numbers starts from 0. The index numbers starts from where? It starts from 0, guys, okay. So this is what 0. All of observe here. The starting from which number? 0. Then 1. Then 2, 3, 4, right? 5, 6. Space also one character, because the space also is taken between 2 quotes, right? Between 2 quotes. That's why the space also it taking as which one? As a character. This is what 7, this is what 8, this is what 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 14. That's all. All of, right? See here, index number starts from where? 0. Generally in our classroom the number starts from generally 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. But subject wise index number starts from where? 0. Right? 0 and so on. Ending number is not fixed, guys, right? Ending number depends on the number of characters. Okay, so this is called what here? It is called index number. Which index number? Forward index number. Forward index, right? And subject wise here one extra also is there. That is what? Backward index, guys. That is what here? Backward index, okay? Right. So this is what here? Backward index, okay, right? So backward means what? It starts from -1, guys, okay? It starts from which one? So last ending onwards, right? -1. This is what? -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, and so on. Okay, the last one will be how much in this case? -15. Now guys, observe here. All of observe. This is what? -15. -15. Right. Then -14. Then -13. Then -12. Then -11. Then -10. Okay, -10. Right. And this is what? -9. -8. -7. -6. -5. -4, -3, -2, and then -1, guys, okay? And then what here? -1. All of you. So like that the string supports both forward and backward index, guys. Both will support here. Both forward, backward, both will support, right? Now if I want to call this O, then st of 4 or st of -11. So in 2 possible ways you can access the data, by using forward number, by using what? Backward number also. If you want to access something this A, then st of 10 or else st of what here? -5, like that you can access, guys, all of, right? So if you observe, guys, here what happened now? Storing the data over in the data structure. See, all of observe, as I told you, this is what? One data structure. In the data structure, what we saved here? Data saved. What is the name of this data structure above? st. st is the name, guys, right? That's object name, variable name is st. That what data saved here? What data saved? Python Narayana. This data saved here, right? All of you. Now what is over now? One operation over, guys. First operation over. Which operation over? Saving this data into one variable means saving the data into one variable. This data saved. What is variable name? Container name st, right? Or second operation here, using the data, right? Saving the data over. Next, using the data is important here. So in this case, we use the data in two ways, guys. We use the data. We can access the data in two ways. In two ways, we can access the data. Okay. The first way is what called it's called indexing. The second way is called what? Slicing, right? Indexing and slicing. All of observe here. So what is difference between these two ways means I'll give an example, guys. See, guys, in our bank account, imagine here we have suppose 10 lakhs rupees, guys, right? All of you, we have 10 lakhs rupees like this, right? 10 lakhs rupees, guys, in the bank account. Now, see, you can take first 1 lakh one time. Again, next time 1 lakh one more time, next 2 lakhs one more time, next 50,000 one more time, next some 5 lakhs one time. Like that, you can take a little bit, guys, right? All of you, we can take a little bit each time. That is one way. The second way is what? We can take all at a time. We can take all at a time also. Our choice, guys, right? It's our choice. We can take each time 1 lakh or 10,000, 20,000 or 1,000 rupees or 5 rupees also. Nowadays in our account, even though we have 10 lakhs rupees, but if you take a tea, we send him it will be how much? 10 rupees only, right? So you can take a little bit amount or you can take all amount at a time. It's our choice, right? In the same case here also, what is happening here? Indexing means what? Indexing means what here? Taking only one character. Only one character at a time. At a time, guys. That is what indexing means. At a time, we can read only one character. At a time, you read only one character by using what? By using index number. By using what? Index number, guys. Okay. Allah observe here. So taking or it's called out here reading, or also called what here fetching, or anyone no problem. Reading only one character at a time by using index number. That is called what? That is called what here? Indexing. That means what here? See, by using so suppose, guys, I want to read O. Then how we read st of 4 means we are using index number, guys, right? Or st of minus 11. Or I want read this n character. Then what do we do? st of 7 or st of minus 8. st of minus, okay, minus 8. That's all. All of you are clear now. That is what reading only one character at a time. Slicing means what here? Slicing means reading set of characters at a time by using start and end index numbers. By using start and end index, guys. What does it mean? See, I want to read any 2 characters, or I want to read 3 characters, or 4 characters, or 5 characters. That is called what? Slicing, right? Slicing, guys. I'll observe here. Suppose I want to read NARA. I want to read this one. How to read this one here? NARA. Then what start number? 7. What is the number? 10. So st of 7 to 10. I give the start number, I give the n number, guys. Or minus 8 to minus 5. Minus 8 to minus 5. Start number and number. We can give plus numbers or minus numbers, guys. Okay. Plus or minus numbers. Plus numbers or minus numbers. All of you. Okay. So like that, what we do? We can read the data in 2 ways. Tell me what's first way, guys, all of you? What's first way? Indexing. What is second way? Reading of data? Slicing. Indexing and slicing, okay? Slicing, guys. That's all. Right? So, first one, saving the data. Or second one, what here? Reading the data. How to read the data? 2 ways. One is called indexing, but second one, slicing. Okay? Right. Now, all of you observe here. Tell me what is string here. Tell me, guys, what is string? See, I am reading some points, guys. All of observe now. What's first point observe here? The first point is a string is a collection of characters enclosed by quotes. Enclosed by quotes. First point. Okay. The second point is each character supports a unique index number. A unique index number. All of you. Next, third one. String supports both forward and backward index numbers. Fourth point, forward starts from 0, backward starts from what here? -1. Fifth point, forward also called a positive index, guys, and backward also called a negative index. Negative index. Sixth point, string allows duplicates also. See, small n 2 times is there. String allows duplicates also. Seventh one, so string supports indexing and slicing operations, guys, right? Eighth point, indexing means what? Reading only one character at a time by index number. Ninth point, what is slicing here? Means reading set of characters at a time by start and index numbers. Right? 9 points. 10 points. String supports concatenation. Means what? Adding two strings. What? 11th point, string supports repetition. Repetition means what? Repeat the same string n number of times. Suppose see here st I am taking now st into 3. That means what? The string repeats 3 times. Python Narayana, Python Narayana, Python Narayana, like that. Right? Okay. And one more point is what? String is immutable object. Immutable. That means what? What is the meaning of immutable object? Means once if you create the string, then that string you cannot modify. All of you. Once you create the string, then after creating the string, we cannot modify. That is called what? Immutable object. And the last one is the insertion order is fixed, guys. Insertion order is fixed. That means what here? Already st equal to what is there? Python Narayana is there. Now if I take print of st, what will display? The same will display. First p, then y, t, h, o, n, n, a, r, a, y, a, n, a. Means whatever order inserted, the same order will display. The same order will display. Means insertion order is fixed. The order will not change. See what I inserted here: p, y, t, h, o, n, n, a, r, a, y, a, n, a. See output also same coming. That means what? Insertion order, whatever order we inserted, the same order will save, will display. That's what it's called what? Insertion order is fixed. So these are the two introduction points, guys. These are the introduction points, all of them. I repeat again all the points, all of observe here. I repeat the points, observe here. What's first point here? String is a collection of characters enclosed by quotes. Enclosed by quotes, all of you. Okay. Next, what second point here? Each character supports its own unique index number. Unique index number. Then what's third one? String supports both forward and backward index numbers. Next, what is fourth one? Forward starts from which number? 0. Backward starts from -1. Next, sixth point is what? So forward also called positive, backward called negative. The sixth point, all of observe here. Forward starts from which one? 0, right? Backward -1. Next one here, string supports what? Indexing and slicing operations. Next, indexing means what? It means reading only one character. Slicing means what? Reading a set of characters, right? Then this is what here? String supports what? Concatenation, and string supports repetition, and string is immutable object, and string insertion order is fixed. Whatever inserted order, the same order will come in the output. All of right. These all are the introduction points, guys. Introduction points. Okay, guys, you don't worry. You don't worry. I think we have. I think some points already there, guys. Okay, some points are there already. I think. Okay, I will check once. I will check one that points, guys, and I will share you. Okay, the document I think we have. Right. These all points are there. All of observe here. These all points are there. You can observe now. Just guys observe here. I repeat the all points again. Here available all points. String is what? Collection of characters, and each character has own index number. It supports what? Both forward, backward. Forward also called what here? Positive. Backward called negative. Forward starts from where? 0. Backward starts from -1. String supports what? Indexing, slicing. Indexing means what? Fetching a specific character. Slicing means what? Fetching set of characters. String supports what? Concatenation, repetition. And string allows what? Duplicates, guys, right? Duplicates. And order is fixed. Order is fixed. It is immutable object. And we know we can create a string by single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes, right? And also one point is there here. String supports what? Packing the data and unpacking the data. Packing means what? Gathering all characters into one variable. Unpacking means what? From one variable, separate all characters into different other variables. Right? This all again we see practically, guys. Whatever we have explained here, this all we see practically. How to work with indexing, slicing, how to work with concatenation, repetition, packing, unpacking. These all we'll discuss one by one, guys. Okay, one by one. Right. Now, this is what, guys, it is what it is a string introduction over, guys. Okay, string introduction, right? And we know how to create the string, right, guys? We know how to create the string, right? I have discussed the quotes concept, like by single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes, we can create the string, guys, right? Now let us see how to perform indexing and slicing operations, because now the data saving over, right? This all data saving over here. Let's see now performing indexing and slicing operations, right? So indexing, guys, right? Indexing. What is indexing here? What is indexing? Tell me now. Indexing means what, all of you? Indexing means getting only one character, only one character, right? At a time by using what? By using its index number, right? Index number. What is syntax here? The string name of, then give index number. That's all. String name of index number, guys. Okay. String name of index number. That means what here? So whatever character you want to read, that index number you have to specify. Right. Now what do I do here? I'm opening ideally, and let's see, guys, here. I take the same string here. All of you with quotes. We can take single quotes, double quotes, our choice, right? Yes. Now right, st of 0, right? All of this we apply. What is the answer here? I am taking now st of 0. What is the 0, guys? Here, tell me. What is the 0? What is the 0, all of you? Means in st, in 0 place, what is there? In 0 place, what is there? In 0 place, what is? Tell me. All of you. That is p, right? P. Next, st of 1. What is the 1? What is the 1, all of you? It is y, right? Y, guys. St of t, right? Sorry. St of not t, it's 2, right? 2, what is there? T. St of 3. Like that, we can take any number, guys, in that range. I am giving the 5, If I give the 6, see, empty character came, right, all of you. Next one, see, you can observe now. I take 7 for example. I can take 8, 9, 10, 12. That all we can take, guys, like this. Up to 14 it is range, guys, right? Up to 14 it is the range. Up to 14 it is the range, right? It is the range, right? Range over. If you take more than 14 in this example, it will throw error. So what I am trying here, I want to read the 15th character, 15th index number character, but here 15th index number character is not there. So it displays what? Displays a string index out of range. String index out of range, okay? Out of range, guys, all of you. Right? Now let's observe here. This is what, guys, indexing, right? If I take the -1, what is the -1 here? See the last one, right? A. What is -2? What is the -2? Like that, you can use a backward reading also. We can read here backward, right? Backward reading also. That's all. All of observe here. You can up to -15. Okay. If I give more than -15, then again it will throw error. Which error? String index number is out of range. String index number is what? Out of range, guys. That's all. Out of range. This is called what? Indexing, guys, right? That is called indexing. Next, slicing operation is there. Slicing, guys, right? Indexing, slicing. Two things, okay? Two things, guys. Indexing and slicing. What is slicing? What is slicing? Slicing means what here? Observe now. I'll take the same. Right. So slicing means as we know that slicing means what here? Getting set of characters. Set of means what? It can be 1 or 0 or multiple set of characters at a time by using what? By using start and end index numbers. Start and end index numbers, guys. We can use both, right? Now let's observe here how to use both. The same string I am giving 1 to 5, guys. Now tell me output here. 1 to 5. What is the answer here? I am giving 1 to 5. What is the answer here? Gautam Kumar, Mahesh Reddy, give reply here. I am giving 1 to 5. 1 to 5. What is the answer? I am giving 1 to 5. Start number is what? 1. End number is what? 5. 1 to 5, guys. Right. Now, guys, observe here. What is the 1? What is the 1? 1 means y. This is start number. Okay. 5. See, in Python, all of you, one rule is wherever you take start number, end number, range, guys. Start number, end number. If you take anywhere, any concept of Python, end number means we take one value before value only. End number means we take one value, left side value, guys, not before. Left side value should take because the start number is not from 1, it's from where? From 0, guys, right? Index starting from where? 0. That's why wherever we say start end number means we should take one value left side value. One value left side value compulsorily. Now 5. For 5, what is left side value? What left side value here? 4. So 4 is the end value, guys. It can be plus number or minus number. Plus or minus. It can be plus or minus. Okay, minus. We should take left side value only compulsorily. Now you tell me what is the answer. Now you tell me, guys, what is the answer. All of you. What is the answer now? Up to which one? YTHO guys, okay? YTHO. Next, ST of, I will take 7 to, I will take suppose 12 guys. Now give a reply, 7 to 12. 7 to 12. What is the answer here? 7 to 12. Which one? All of you, right? Yes. Okay. Next one, ST of, I am taking suppose 10 to minus 1 guys. Tell me. I am giving 10 to minus 1. 10 to minus 1 guys. What is the answer now? 10 to minus 1. What is the answer here? All of you. 10 to minus 1 guys. What is the answer here? Right? What is the answer? Right. Right. So like this, we can use either plus values or minus values guys. Okay. Suppose I am taking here minus 11 to something 10 guys. Tell me now. Minus 11 to 10. I am using a negative and plus numbers guys. Okay. Minus 11 to 10. All of you. What's the answer here? Minus 11 to 10. Everybody guys give reply. Everyone guys give reply. What is the answer here? Right. ON space NAR. How it came? Observe now. What is start number? I said here minus 11, right? So minus 11. This is start number, right? This is start number, guys. Okay. And then 10. For 10, what left side value? 9. So 9 is what? N number. 9 is what here? End number. So what is the answer now? ON space NAR. ON space NAR is the answer, guys. ON space NAR. All of right. Are clear on this one? How to use the slicing? Next one, suppose ST of I am giving 7 start number, but end number is not giving, guys. Giving start number 7, end number is not giving. If I don't give end number, it will take up to last character, guys. All of you. It takes up to last character, right? That means what? Here start number is what? 7. This is 7. And don't give any number up to last one. Means what is the answer here? Narayana. Next one. So start number is not giving n number. Some number 6 like this. Giving n number like a 6. Tell me here. Start number is not given. That means what? From beginning onwards. Up to 6. 6 before 5. Up to 5 means what? Python. Up to 5 means what? Python. Okay. So Python guys, right? This is the answer. Python is the answer. That's all of you are clear now this one, guys. If you don't give any number, I don't give either start number or end number, I don't give any number, then what happens here? It takes from beginning to ending, guys. Beginning to ending, it takes all the data. That's all. Now, guys, everybody clear now? It's about what? Slicing operation, guys. Slicing operation, indexing and slicing. So slicing means, tell me now, what we use the string name of, we give start number colon, then what? End number, that's all. Start number and end number, guys. Okay. So introduction over indexing or slicing. Then what next one? Concatenation, guys. What is concatenation? And then what is repetition? They are very simple, guys. Observe now. Concatenation, repetition. Right. Now all of observe how to concat. See, one string I am taking here, something like a Python. This is what I am taking, the string one. I will take one more string, something like Narayana, right? Narayana, guys. String 1 plus string 2. This is called what? Concatenation. If I use the plus between two strings, that is what? Concatenation. The same case, if I use string 1 into some number, guys, here between two strings, plus is used, that is called what? Concatenation. But here one string and one number, then what we use, the multiplication we using. So it is called what? Repetition. Python. How many times? 5 times Python is used, guys. 5 times Python is used. All of let me know. Everybody, is this clear now? This is called what? Concatenation. This is called what? Repetition. Right? Repetition. Then next one is string packing, guys. Right? Packing and then unpacking. These all are the string operations. Okay. Packing and unpacking. Packing the data, unpacking the data. Right. So here packing means what? Suppose A contains X, some B contains some Y, some C contains some Z, guys, like this. So three variables are having three different strings. Okay. Now, so here how to pack means I want output like this. How X, Y, Z, like this I want output, guys. Okay. All of you. X, Y, Z. For that I can do simply A plus B plus C. If I do like this, then this output will come. But that is called what? That is called concatenation, guys, right? A plus B plus C. Output is X plus Y plus Z will come. That is called concatenation. But what I want here, I want use a join function. What I want to join? I want to join A value, B value, C value. I want to join A value, B value, C value. And between each character, I don't want any space also. So take what here? Take empty. If I take underscore, okay. If I take the underscore, then what happens here? Output will be X underscore Y underscore Z. It comes like this output, guys. I don't want underscore anything between. At that time, what we use? Empty. Assign to some string like this. Then you can see now print of what? St. Suppose I take something here, comma. Then if I take the comma, what happens here? First A value will come, guys. What's first A value? X, right? X will come. First X, right? X will come. Then what separator? Comma separate, right? So comma. Then next B. B means what? Y. B means what? Y. So B value will come. That is what? Y. Right? Y. Again our separator here, comma is there. So comma. Then C. What is the C? Z, right? Z. So Z will come like this. So X comma Y comma Z. Here I did not use any comma, nothing. That's why no comma, no space guys here. All of you can observe now. So this is called what now? It is called packing the data. Packing means what? From different variables, take the data assigned to single variable. That is called what? Packing. Unpacking means what? Unpacking means suppose one string is there. In the string we have multiple characters. Now this all we have to separate guys. How many characters are there here? 6 characters are there. So A comma, B comma, C comma, D comma, E comma, F equal to what? Equal to ST. That's all of right. Now observe here. In ST what data is there? Python, right? Python is there guys. Okay, Python is there. Now first P assigned to A, Y assigned to B, T assigned to C, H assigned to D, next E, next F, like this, right? Now you can observe here, print of what is A value? P. Print of B, B value. Print of C, C value. Print of D, then print of E, then print of F, like this. This is called what? Unpacking guide. Here you may have doubt, sir, if I take the more number of variables or less number of variables, what will happen, sir? It will throw error. Suppose I take here only A, B, C, that's all. Is possible? No, not possible. Because how many characters are there here? 6 characters are there. But you are using how many variables? 3 variables only. So see, too many values means here more values are there. We are expecting how many? Expecting 3, right? See, we are expecting 3, but too many values are there, right? Or if I take more number of variables, then what will happen? Like D, E, F, G, H, I, like this. Again error. So we are expecting how many? 9 expecting, right guys? We are using 9 variables means what? Expecting 9. But how many you got? You got 6 only. Means not enough values. We have only 6 values, but how many expecting? Expecting 9. That's why what is the answer here? Not enough values. So finally what do we say here? Compulsorily the number of values and number of variables must be same. The number of values and number of variables must be same. That's all. All of you are clear now. This is what packing and unpacking guys. Unpacking. And some string functions are there, right? Some string functions. All of let me know. Everybody guys, are you following me till now? In the session, in the live session, everyone let me know guys. Let me know. Are you following me guys? And is everything clear till now? Till now, is everything clear all of you? Guys, good reply. Till now, everybody is clear, right? All right. What are the string functions here? The string functions are length function, count function, and index function, guys. Length, count, index functions. Okay, index functions. First we will see what is length, what is count, what is the index. See, let's take some string here. Okay, I'll take the string, guys. String is what? Something Python, Narayana, like this, right? Now length of string is what? Length of string is what, guys? See, 15 characters are there. So total how many characters are there totally? 15 characters are there. 15 characters are there totally. That is what? Length function, guys. Okay. Next, in the string, I am going to count how many times A is repeating. How many times A is repeating. Or in the string, I want to count how many times a small n is repeating. Repeating, guys. Count means what? Repeating. In the string, how many times y is repeating. In the string, how many times space is repeating. All of right. So count means to find the number of iterations of a specific character, guys, all of you, to find the number of iterations, of repetitions of a specific character, right? Next one, in the string, I want to find index number of p. Tell me guys now, what is index number of the p? What is index number of the p? 0, right? 0, you can see. Right. Next one, st dot index of which one? Something y, index of y. Now you must have a doubt. What is that means? Sir, in the given string, there are two y characters. This is at index number 1, and this is index number 11, guys, right? This is index number 11. So 2 times y is there. 2 times y is there. Index number 1 y is there. Index number 11 y is there. Now what is the answer? The answer is 1 or 11. The answer is 1 or 11. 1 or 11, because 2 times y is there. This is the 2 times, right? So when the specific character is available more than 1 time, then it gives the first occurrence index number only. First occurrence index number means first y index number only. Not the second or third one. All of you. Or let's take suppose a. I am giving the a. Even though a's are how many times? 4 times, right? So 1, next 2, next 3, next 4. 4 times a is the right, but it gives only first a index number. Guys. If you want to find the second a index number, third a index number, for that we should make our own coding. That is what we see in the advanced Python. All of you, to get second a index number, third a index number, or second y, third y index numbers, then we use our own coding. That is called what? Advanced Python, guys. Okay, right. Next one, all of you observe here, is lower function is there, is lower, and is upper, guys. Is lower, is upper functions are there. So what is lower, is upper? Suppose I am giving the string Python st dot is lower, means this function will check whether the given string is in lowercase or not. If it is lowercase, means output is true. Suppose I take the one more string capital P. Now st is lower. No, it's false. I take the one more st in all capital letters. St is lower. No, it is false. Why? Here all are uppercase is there. Here P is uppercase. That's why these two are false. But here all are lowercase is there. So answer is what? True. Now the same 3 cases I am going to check with the is upper. st dot is upper. Then true or false? This st uppercase, right? It is the true. Or if I use the above string capital P, this is what? False. Or if you call the other string which all having the lowercase only, it is also what? It is also false. So is lower means what? It will check whether the given string is lowercase or not. It will check whether the given string is uppercase or not. Like this. Then lower function, guys, and upper function. Why these two? These two for conversion purpose. Converting into uppercase, lowercase. Okay. Suppose, guys, observe now this string is there. This string I want to convert into uppercase. Take the upper. Yes. Can you observe now? Uppercase, guys. Right? Actually, input is what? Lowercase. After converting, what is there? Uppercase is there, right? Uppercase is there. But guys, what I told here, I told you one point. That is what? String is invertible. What I told here, string is what? Invertible. That means what? Once if you create the string, it cannot be modified. But we may have doubt, sir. Here string is taken all lowercase, but convert into uppercase is done. It is called modification, sir. But why string is immutable, sir? We are converting lower to upper. That means what modification is done. Modification is done. Then why string is invertible? You may have doubt, right? For that one, see now if I print of st, what will display? This is the operation. It's operation. Output is before operation string or the latest string. Tell me guys, what is the answer now? See here operation is done. The function is done. I am calling the string st. Then old string will come, or else latest string will come. Tell me what will come, guys, all of you. I have done the modification, okay. Now I call the print of st. What is the result now? The old string or else latest modified string. Latest modified string means what? The string is modified permanently. Old string output is means what? The string is not modified permanently. The string is not modified permanently. Temporarily it is like converted, but actually the reality not converted. Alright, right? And the old string only will come. We can see even though you converted, but later if you call the string, what's coming here? The old string only is coming. That means what? This conversion is done temporary only, not permanently. We cannot modify permanently. That's why string is what? Immutable, right? Okay. Or I take the one string st dot what? Lower, st lower. Now it convert into lowercase, guys. Are you clear now? This one now. So this is what? Lower upper, guys. Lower upper is lower is upper, right? Next one, let's take suppose title function, guys. Title and capitalize function. Title capitalize. Observe now. String equal to, I am taking all lowercase, guys. Okay, Python, Narayana, Tech, House, like this. st dot lower. Sorry, st dot what? Title. Now see the output, guys. What's the output here? From that string, in every word first letter upper. In every word first letter upper become, guys, right? Remaining all are lower, right? In every word what happened? Tell me. In every word it became first letter upper, remaining letters are lowercase only. In every word first letter upper, remaining is what? Lower only. That is what? Title. The same string I use, I am taking capitalize, guys. Okay, capitalize. Okay, capitalize. You can see now. Then what happened here? In entire string, the first word upper, remaining all are lower only. Here word by word, first word first letter upper, second word first letter upper, right? Third word first letter upper, fourth word first is upper. But here